Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this binomial expansion question, and it's read that find the coefficient of y raised to 3 in the expansion of 2x cubed plus y all raised to 5. Okay, now let us recall that in binomial expansion, especially when it has a degree greater than 2, there's a formula given to it. If you have, let me say, a plus b, then raised to n. Now this will give us n combination r, then a raised to n minus 1, then times b, okay, which is this raised to r. Okay, now using this formula here, now where our a is 2x cubed and b is y. Alright, so and r here is the degree of the term to which we are aiming at, and n here is the degree 5. Okay, so let us now apply this formula, okay, in getting the coefficient of what? Y cubed. Okay, so here we have 5, and here is 5, so here we have 5 combination 3 is actually the degree to which we are aiming at, 3. So our a here is 2x cubed, so that will be 2x cubed, take note, raised to n minus r, that will be 5 minus 3. Okay, let me just write it, 5 minus 3, then times, then b here is n. Okay, so sorry, b here is y, sorry, so that will be y raised to r, which is 3. Okay, so here we have 5 combination 3, then 2x raised to 3 all raised to 2, sorry, all raised to 2, then times y cubed. Alright, so what we just need to do now is to resolve 5 combination 3. So, and take note, when we have n combination r according to permutation and combination, now this is n factorial all over n minus r factorial r factorial. Okay, so where n factorial in a clear or simple term, if you have 3 factorial, this simply means 3 times 2 times 1. You have 4 factorial, this implies 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then you have 5 factorial, it means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so applying that here we have what? 5 combination 3. So let me just come here. So it means here that 5 combination 3, a quick one, just simply means 5 factorial all over 5 minus 3 all factorial, then 3 factorial. Now this will give us 5 factorial then over 2 factorial, because 3 minus 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, then this is 3 factorial. Now a simple way to just do it is, now since this is the highest factorial in the denominator, let us reduce 5 factorial to 3 factorial. So here you have 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. Then since 2 factorial is the same thing as 2 times 1, which is 2, so here 2, then times 3 factorial. This eliminates this 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So the whole of 5 combination 3 will just give us 10. Okay, so here we now have, coming back here, you have 10, which is the solution to 5 combination 3, then times distributing these 2 to all that is in parentheses here. So this will give us 4, that will be 2 raised to 2 here will give us what? 4, then times, then x raised to 3. Now according to the law of indices, we just need to multiply 2 and 3. That will give us x raised to 6. Then here we have y raised to 3. Okay, so here we have 40 x raised to 6, then y raised to what? 3. And take note, we want to talk about coefficient. So if we probably have, let me say, 2x here. Now the coefficient of x here is 2. So if you have, let me say, 6y, the coefficient of y is what? 6. So in this case now the coefficient of y raised to the power of 3 will now give us 40x raised to 6. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.